Hi everyone, I'm back. So I'm using the O2O. Hindi ko alam kung klaro. Yeah, O2O. Let's try this one. And it's the shade M14. So as you can see, nagamit ko na siya yan. But yeah, this is M14. So this is the shade. May pagka pink. Let's see, let's apply this to our lips. So, dahil gusto ko siyang gamitan ng kasi nauhugwarta na pag may So, as you can see here, it's very creamy on your lips. Hindi siya drying. And usually kasi ako nag-a-apply before lipstick, nag-a-apply ako ng lip liner. To emphasize may ganito. Kasi wala akong ganyan. Sobrang insecure ko sa iba na parang may ganyan. Parang nakakaganda siya. So, ayan. And yan. This is my lippy. So, napapawisan ako ngayon. But yeah, that's my lippy. And also, before that one also, let's apply the golden mascara from O2O. So, if yan, sa pag i-apply ko siya dito, parang red siya tignan, but no, it's a pink. Parang pink, baby pink. Not too light, not too dark as well, but it's baby pink. Lately kasi na ko, look at the applicator, it's so gamay, but talaga siya sa lip blush. And look at that, diba? Nalala siya. And ito yung wala. Tingnan.